Under the PM Vidya Lakshmi scheme, any student who gets admission in the quality higher education institution will be eligible to get collateral-free, guarantor-free loan from banks and financial institutions to cover full amount of tuition fees and other expenses related to the course. The scheme will be administered through a simple, transparent and student-friendly system that will be interoperable and entirely digital. The scheme will be applicable to the top quality higher educational institutions of the nation as determined by the NIRF rankings, including all higher educational institutes, government and private, that are ranked within the top 100 in NIRF in overall, category-specific and domain-specific rankings. State government higher education institutions ranked in 101 to 200 in NIRF and all central government governed institutions. This list will be updated every year using the latest ranking. And to begin with, it starts with 860 qualifying institutions covering more than 22 lakh students to be able to potentially avail benefits of PM Vidya Lakshmi if they so desire. For loan up to 7.5 lakh, the student will also be eligible for a credit guarantee of 75% of outstanding default. This will give support to banks in making education loans available to students under the scheme. In addition to the above, for students having an annual family income of up to 8 lakh and not eligible for benefits under any other government scholarship or interest subvention schemes, 3% interest subvention for loan up to 10 lakh will also be provided during the moratorium period. The interest subvention support will be given to 1 lakh students every year. Preference will be given to students who are from the government institutions and have opted for technical